This will be a how-to on how to test a radio channel. From your VT3000 home screen, to the 3000 core software. From this page here, we're either going to select communications from icon, or we can select communications over here on the left-hand menu. Okay, so we're going to get to this page here. We're going to want to, for our destination type, select radio channels. And then all the channels that you have set up would show up here. For me, my purpose I set is channel 3. So I'm going to highlight that. Down here, there's going to be two options. First one we're going off here is use text to speech. So essentially, you just type in what message you want it to play. So using text to speech, it'll interpret that and send that over your channel saying testing this radio channel. Basically, you just hit send. It's going to tell you that the communication was sent. You just want to check on that channel to make sure that that message went through. The other method that you can do this with is by selecting your channel 3. You can uncheck this and you can select an actual audio file. So all systems come with this testing 1, 2, 3 wave file, so that one will always be available and you can send that out. Then it'll just do testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3 over the channel. If you have other audio files inside your system, like I have these other ones here, you can select those to play. Entirely up to you. Essentially, once you have that audio file selected, send, and now then you'll just want to check the channel that you selected on your radio, make sure that you're hearing that testing 1, 2, 3. Once that's complete, you can return home, and that pretty much concludes this on how to test a radio channel. Look forward to talking to you again.